Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in your first year. Starting medical school can feel overwhelming, but with a structured approach, you'll thrive. Begin by establishing a consistent study routine that fits your learning style. Focus on understanding core concepts rather than just memorizing facts. Active engagement in all your learning activities, from lectures to lab work, will significantly boost your comprehension and recall. This foundational year sets the stage for your entire medical career. To truly master medical concepts, move beyond passive reading. Embrace active recall techniques, like using flashcards or self-quizzing, to test your knowledge and identify gaps. Spaced repetition is another powerful tool. It helps you review material at optimal intervals, solidifying information in your long-term memory. Don't hesitate to join or form study groups. Discussing challenging subjects with peers can offer new perspectives and deepen your understanding, making complex topics much clearer. While academics are crucial, your well-being is equally important for sustained success. Ensure you get adequate sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours each night, as it's vital for memory consolidation and overall health. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Even a 30-minute walk can significantly reduce stress and improve your focus. Fuel your body with a healthy, balanced diet to support your cognitive function and maintain consistent energy levels throughout your demanding schedule. A healthy mind and body are your best assets. Leverage all available resources to enhance your learning journey. Connect with upper-year students. Their insights and recommendations for study materials can be invaluable. Explore the vast array of online resources, from educational videos to medical apps, which can offer alternative explanations and practice questions. Remember to check the description for links to these resources and other great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker. Building a strong foundation now will prepare you for the challenges and rewards of your medical career, setting you up for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.